Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kritika, your internet homie who's just trying to make money make sense. Today we are diving into a question that is literally being asked everywhere: where you should invest, crypto or stocks? And I get it, markets are wild, headlines are scarier than horror movies, and you just want to put your money somewhere where it won't get wrecked. So let's dive into it. First, coming to stocks. Stocks in 2025 are still going strong. Tech is booming and AI is changing everything. So if you want to invest for long term and want steady returns, stock is the one you should go for. You can still invest in big companies like Reliance, HDFC Bank, L&T, TCS, etc. Stocks are going really strong in 2025, but it is something that you set and forget. So how does it exactly work? When you buy a stock, that is literally like you are owning a slice of that company. It could be 0.001% or 0.1% depending on the company you buy a stock in. Now, if the question is how do you make money, it could be either of the two ways. If company makes more profits, that is their stock price goes up, or if they give dividends, that is they share their profits with you basically. Back about stocks. Stocks are like slow burners. You cannot invest today and expect to get rich tomorrow. They give returns over many years, so it's more like building generational wealth and looking back and saying that I wish I bought some more.
The planet.
Yes, these days you also have mutual funds and ETFs. So if you're not confident enough about one company, you can invest in these. That is a combination of multiple companies and still get good returns. So stocks are definitely for long growth, long-term investment and a good night's sleep. Now coming to the crypto area. Grown up a bit. It's no longer just hypes and dog memes. There's serious tech behind it. Tracks, NFTs 2.0, cross-border payments, tokenized assets and everything. I know it sounds heavy, but crypto is more than coins. It's still super volatile. One tweet from a billionaire can change the whole market upside down. Now coming to the real talk. If you're thinking about both sound good, but you don't know where to invest, so there are a few questions that you need to ask yourself. If you're someone who cannot handle the panic and gets scared by the dips and ups, then you should stick to stocks because they are way more stable and can give returns way more early. But if you're someone who can handle the ups and downs, then you can definitely go for crypto. Second question being, what is your timeline? If you need money in 1 to 2 years, stocks or mutual funds are the ones to go for because they are way safer and can guarantee fixed returns. However, if you are playing the long game, then you can go for a mix of both of them. It could be your personal preference of what you are more interested in. If you're someone who enjoys reading about industry and day-to-day news, then you can definitely go for stocks. However, if you're someone who's interested in new trends that are coming in such as AI, roadmaps and paper whites, then crypto is the one to go for. Diversification is the best way to go by. Even I follow the golden rule of 70% in stocks and mutual funds, 20% in crypto, and 10% in your savings account for emergency fund. That was all from my side. Remember, both can make you money and both can make you losses. It all depends on you. The smarter you are with your research, patience, and risk management, the better your gains. So don't chase hype, chase knowledge, because when you have the correct knowledge, that is when you stop gambling and start investing. And let me know in the comments down below which one do you choose, crypto or stock.